This question comes from Alex, who asks, what if we found another Earth? First things first, we kind of already have. Astronomers have discovered thousands of exoplanets. Some of them are in the habitable zone. That's the Goldilocks region around a star. Not too hot, not too cold, just right for liquid water. But finding another Earth isn't just about distance, it's about everything else. Atmosphere, gravity, magnetic field, plate tectonics, a moon. All of it matters. And we haven't found a perfect twin yet. But let's say we do. Let's say tomorrow NASA announces they've found Earth 2.0. It's 100 light years away, same size, same orbit, same star type, maybe even continents and oceans. What happens next? First, we freak out. This is the biggest discovery in human history. Every news channel covers it. Every scientist loses their mind. Every philosopher starts writing essays. And then we ask the big question. Is anyone there? We point our most powerful telescopes at it. We listen for radio signals. We look for atmospheric biosignatures. Oxygen, methane, phosphine, the chemical fingerprints of life. If we find those, the whole world changes. Because now we know we're not alone. But here's the thing. Even if there's life, it might not be intelligent. It could be bacteria, or plants, or something completely alien, something we can't even imagine. And if there is intelligent life, that's a whole different problem. Do we try to contact them?
Do we wait for them to contact us? What if they're hostile? What if they're friendly? What if they're just indifferent? Stephen Hawking had thoughts about this. He warned against shouting into the cosmos. He said it might be like Columbus arriving in the Americas. Didn't end well for the natives. But others argue we should reach out, that curiosity is what makes us human, that isolation is worse than any risk. So we debate for years, decades, maybe centuries. But let's say we decide to go there. We build a ship, the fastest ship we can imagine. It travels at 10% the speed of light. That's incredibly fast, insanely fast. But 100 light years at 10% is still 1,000 years. 1,000 years. That's longer than the Roman Empire lasted, longer than any modern civilization. So we'd need generational ships, a whole society flying through space, people born, living, and dying on that journey. And they'd arrive at a planet they've only seen through telescopes. Their ancestors left Earth 1,000 years ago. They'd be strangers to both worlds. Or maybe we wait. Maybe we develop faster technology. Maybe we send robots first. Small probes powered by lasers. Light sails that accelerate to 20% the speed of light. They'd get there in 500 years. Still long, but more manageable. And they'd send back images, real images, of mountains and oceans, forests and deserts, maybe cities. Then we'd really know. But there's another question.
A darker one. What if another Earth is better? What if it's a paradise? No pollution, no war, no climate change. Then we'd face a moral crisis. Do we stay here and fix our mess? Or do we abandon Earth for a shiny new one? Some would say we must stay, that we have a duty to our home. Others would say we're explorers, that expansion is our destiny, that we should go. And we'd probably do both. Some people would stay, some would leave. And that's okay. But there's a catch. If the other Earth has life, even simple life, we'd have a responsibility. We can't just move in and mess things up. We'd have to protect it, study it, learn from it. Because discovering another Earth isn't just about finding a new home. It's about understanding ourselves, about realizing how precious this planet is, about seeing Earth from the outside, a pale blue dot in a vast cosmic ocean. We've only got one, for now. But maybe, just maybe, there's another one out there, waiting for us.